Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today I'll be showing you this lovely Honda HR-V Advanced style, which is in colors, midnight blue and silver on top. It's really smart. In this video I'll be showing you the car, and so the interior. Okay, to start off with, we got this LED indicators which turn into a daytime lights as well. We got LED headlights as well, along with turning indicating fog lights. Rear parking sensors. It's a really nice colour. As you can see, got 18-inch diameter alloy wheels as well in this car. Beautiful roof rails on top, and the folding wing mirrors as well. You can see the body works really nice on the left hand side. I'll show you the interior as well. You got fabric and leather, ivory leather upholstery going on here. You do have magic seats, which is like that, so you have to do all the way up and lock it, so you got more space down there, or you can just pull it all the way down as well. As you can see, giving you a bigger room. So yeah, you got the third climate control there, along with a couple of USBs down there as well. Cup holders, tons of storage as well in this car. So you can see on the rear we got these parking sensors, along with remote camera, reverse camera. You got your LED tail light as well. The advanced model, you do have power boot tailgate, which is nice. Partial shelf on there. Really nice boot size. You do have a subwoofer down there. Some storage space under here as well. Seats to fold down all the way. It's a 60/40 split setting seat. You got two settings on the power tailgate as well. You can see everything works as it should, nice and perfect. So yeah, no wear and tear, really good car. Do have keyless entry as standard on this car, and do have blind spot detection system as well. Just point it out, so if you can see that, there we go. So yeah, on the interior wise, you got all 4 automatic windows. Got your wing mirror function, they do fold, heated as well. Up here you can you can either open your tail boot from here. You do have Honda Sense parking sensors, heated windshield, and also vehicle stability control. Just nice leather ivory, which looks really nice with the combination on this car. So the car's done only 18,870 miles, which is nothing. Got automatic headlights, auto wipers, start stop button there. Got multifunction steering wheel, which is heated. Got lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. This side for your Bluetooth telephone connection to use the screen. You do have pedal shifters on either sides for your region. Got heated seats for driver and passenger, which is nice, and dual zone climate control as well. So you can have your own temperature, and a passenger can have your own temperature as well. Down here we got your mobile phone wireless charging with 12-volt socket. A couple of USBs on either side. You got your gear stick there, along with your hill descent mode, drive modes. At the moment we're in normal, sports, and eco. So yeah, your electric parking brake and brake hold, a couple of cup holders. And here we go. So I'll just show you the reverse camera with 3 functions. Yeah, really nice. You do have sat nav as standard on this car without putting on your wireless Apple CarPlay, which is just down there. So yeah, the car's here with us. We'll leave it minimum 9 months of service. You do have a 1 year's warranty on this car, so feel free to come down, have a test drive, want to look more or want to know more about this car. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.